Hey, morning pack leaders. I want to give you guys a TRX XBT settings that's chugging along with the 10% ROE. So here's the settings here. Make sure you have these map buy and sell signals to long and no position. Since it's a bull market, we want to constantly, we don't want to short basically. So anyways, go ahead and take this setting. The trade amount gets updated as the portfolio grows with AutoTuner, and there it is. Okay, take a screenshot, pause it if you need to, and if you want to get access to Tuna, it's in the description below, and we'll talk to you then. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the consistency of this new setting that we have here, and all of them seems to be in the profit here. Okay, so overall it's doing very well, very consistently. I've added a little more funds to it from 0.01 for my testing, and I think as this grows and I start to see more consistency, I might be adding a little more to my portfolio to let the tuna trade. But anyways, go ahead and take the settings and see how this does for you, and talk to you then. Okay.